One of my greatest joy is teaching watercolor painting, and I have a lot of students, and I'm very pleased that they went on and on to paint in their own manner and enjoy their lives. Now, to get into watercolor painting, you don't have to spend a lot of money. These are the materials that you need, and I'm going to show them to you. First of all, what you want to do is purchase a set of Prang watercolors, and they look like this, and you can get them for $3.50 at Office Max. They sell them, they carry them. Otherwise, you'd have to go online and ask Prang where to get them, but they are great. Secondly, you're going to need, this one you don't have to worry about, you're going to need 3 brushes. This is a number 6, this is a number 10, and this is a flat 3/4 of an inch.